So next roundabout we're going to work on is Mannington. We're going to go right third exit to West Swindon. A lot of people get this roundabout wrong. It's very simple. We're going to look at the sign, and there's only one lane going right to West Swindon. So I'm in that lane now. The other lanes go straight on to the M4. You have to be aware here because people in the M4 lanes will try to go right to West Swindon from those lanes. We're lucky today the traffic lights are on, so no need to find a gap. Now when I move off from the roundabout, this lane will split into two, and we want the left of two lanes. So I'm going to follow the dotted lines on the road as I move round, but being careful of anyone in the lane next to me not coming into my lane, like that, just there. Okay. And there we go, you're just following the lane all the way around, coming off, keeping to the left as you come round. So now we're going to turn right now, third exit at Mannington, coming from the Astor direction. So we're heading right, third exit, heading down the dual carriageway towards the M4. So I'm going to run a nice early current signal check. I'm going to keep my position way over to the right hand lane. There's no signs or road markings here, but just follow the standard roundabout rules and position right hand lane to turn right. Traffic lights on, so I don't have to find a gap. And when we move forward again, this lane will split into two, and there'll be two lanes turning right, and we will want to keep to the left hand one because it makes it easier when we come off. So as I move off, I'm going to keep to the dotted lines on my left and hope that no one comes into my lane again. All good this time around, and we're just going to follow this lane around, watching for the traffic lights. That's it. And now when the traffic lights change, we'll come down the dual carriageway in the left hand lane. So yet again, we're in a good lane. We don't have to worry about moving back over and finding a gap. Careful on this road as you move off, then do not go over 40 until you pass the signs up ahead, which are the national speed limit. Okay, so we're going to turn right at Mannington again. This time we are coming from the direction of the M4, coming down the dual carriageway towards Mannington Roundabout. Like I said, we're going right third exit, heading to town centre. We're looking at the two signs there, they both say town centre. I'm going to take the left of the two. Checking my mirrors, right signal. We've got a green traffic light, so we don't have to wait for a gap. And as we go forward, we have two lanes here. We're just going to stay in the lane that we're in and just follow it around. So as we come round here, we will be in the outside lane when we come off Mannington. It's important that we find a gap and move back into the left-hand lane. That's our driving lane. So I'm just checking my mirror now. Left signal on. There's a motorbike that wants to undertake me. I have to wait. And that's it. Okay, this time we're going to do a right turn coming from town towards Mannington. We're going to go right third exit. So straight away we want to position ourselves in the right hand lane at the earliest opportunity. Because when it's busy it's very difficult to move over. We're going to look at the sign. It's going to tell us which sign we want. We're following the sign for B4006, and that is only the right hand lane. So again, we've got to be careful of people in the lane alongside us moving into our lane. Green traffic lights, and again we're going to follow the dotted lines and use the left hand lane of the two lanes that are going right. Just following it round, and again traffic lights. As we come off then, we're in our lane on the left hand side.